Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive right into how to use UPBASE for managing legal casework, the full 2025 guide. Firstly, we need to log into our UPBASE account. Head to the UPBASE website and input your credentials. That step is vital because UPBASE is our primary tool for managing legal casework. It's where all your cases will be stored and tracked. Now that we're logged in, our next step is to create a new case. On the dashboard, click on the New Case button. This is important as each legal case you handle will have its own unique case file in UPBASE. Great, now we have our case created. Let me explain why this matters. Each case in UPBASE can be customized with specific details and tasks, making it a central hub for all your case information. Next up, we add tasks to our case. On the case page, click on Add Task. Type in the task and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it allows us to delegate tasks to team members and track their progress. Once we've added tasks, it's time to update the case status. On the case page, click on Update Status and choose the appropriate status. The reason we do this is to keep everyone updated on the case progress, which is critical for efficient case management. Now, let's talk about reports. On the dashboard, you'll see a Reports button. Clicking on this will give you a comprehensive overview of your case progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE collects data from all your activities and presents it in an easy-to-understand format. This helps with making informed decisions for future case handling. Finally, don't forget to log out when you're done. On the top right corner, you'll see a Logout button. Click on that and you're done for the day. And there you have it, a quick guide to using UPBASE for managing legal casework. Remember, efficiency is key in legal case management, and UPBASE is here to streamline that process. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.